cPanel is one great way to actually host your website, but cPanel is not without restrictions. Depending on the hosting depending on the hosting server you have, that is hosting your web email. So I want to show you today how you can connect your webmail to your Gmail such that you can enjoy all the benefits that Gmail has to offer, so that you don't always have to go to your cPanel to check your email. You can do everything right from your Gmail account. Now look at this hosting server, for instance. I cannot exceed 1.98 gig for my email account, and Gmail actually offers about 15 gig per email account. So this is one of the restrictions you can experience using cPanel, and also the email interface may not be suitable for what you want to do. So let's get right into how to connect our cPanel to Gmail account. So first thing you want to do is to sign into your cPanel account, and also ensure that you already have a Gmail account that you want to connect your cPanel email to. So I want to sign into my cPanel account, tutorialstep.com. Perfect. So the first thing you want to do is to do what I call an email forwarding. So you want to forward any email that comes into your demo account into your Gmail account. So once you sign in like this, you see the forwarder here. And if you're already logged in like this, you can always come back to this interface by clicking on the cPanel icon on your webmail, just here like so. You can click on it like this, takes you back to that screen. So you click on forwarders, and then you want to enter the email that you want to be forwarding emails to. So any emails that come into your account gets forwarded into your Gmail account that you want to connect to this place. So I want to forward my email to tutorialstep34@gmail.com, and then I click on add folder, and that's successful 100%. So what you do now is you can close this and head over to Gmail. Let's finalize all the connection. So close this. So you come here, and then you click on this gear icon and click on see all settings. Then go to accounts and imports, and then come under here and click on add another email account. So you want to enter your email account like so, demo@tutorialstep.com, and then click on next. And then mostly your mail server should be mail.whatever your URL is .com, and then the port you're going to be using is 587. So you want to enter all your email. So if your SMTP server is giving you error, you can contact your web host to ask them for your SMTP server. But usually it's always mail.whatever your URL is .com. So then you want to enter tutorialstep.com, and then you enter the password for your email, and then you click on add account. Now Gmail will send you an email to confirm that you are the owner of this email account before it can start working. Now remember that we have already forwarded our email from our cPanel email so that we can be receiving it in our Gmail. So you don't have to go to your cPanel, just come to here and wait for the email to arrive. So we should receive the email on our Gmail account since we already have a forwarding. So let's check our spam. So the email should arrive any minute from now. Awesome, our email is here. Can you see it now? So the email that was sent to me by Google is already here, so I don't have any need to go to cPanel. My email is working now, so I just click on this place. I click on here to authenticate, and then I click on confirm, and that settles it. My email is now connected to my cPanel. So you can go back to the settings to make some adjustment as you wish. Here you go to settings. So what are the settings you can do here? You can make this your cPanel email the default email, such that whenever you send and receive email, it gets sent on this email. Then you can also pick these settings, always reply from the default address, currently this, or you can select this, reply from the same address to which the email was sent. So I always use these settings. So whatever email address they sent me email to, that's the same address I will use to send a reply. Then another thing you can do here is you can also do your email signature somewhere here. Yes, email signature. You can create email signature here and connect it to your address. So like so, install a demo and just type in student FJ, and then from here you can connect the email signature to your account, which is this. Then you hit the save button. So those are the settings you can perform there. So when you click on the compose button now, email is being sent from demo@tutorialstep.com, and look at the signature appearing here, so you don't have to worry yourself going to cPanel all the time to check email. Everything works right inside your Gmail. Both your sent folder and your inbox are in your Gmail, so you can always go to your cPanel anytime and just delete all the emails there as you wish. Another one brought to you by Tutorial Step. Be sure to give me a follow if you enjoy my video. Thank you, and see you guys later.